ॐ सरवणभवाय नमः।
Sri Thangavel Murugan Temple is situated near Red Hills town on Red Hills, Thiruvalluvar High Road at a distance of 5 kilometers from Red Hills. The place is known as Old Alamadi Village, which is on the main road.
ॐ सरवणभवाय नमः। ॐ सरवणभवाय नमः।
It is an ancient temple dating back to the period of the famous saint Agasthyar. It was in ruins and the place was called Koyil Medu in Tamil, meaning an elevated place where a temple was situated.
ॐ सरवणभवाय नमः। 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 ॐ सरवणभवाय।
Swamiji P. Shivakumar, IAS retired, purchased this place measuring an extent of 12.5 cents, planning to build a house of his own in the very site. When foundations were taken up there, appeared a small idol, Lord Muruga, with his consorts, and a Sivalinga with two statues of Nandis, Rishabha. Everything in human life is predetermined, and what man proposes, God disposes in his own way. What was to become a house became a present temple with 108 idols of different deities. The Jyotida Grantha says, Janani Janma Saukyanam Padavi Purva Punyanam Vardhini Kula Sampatam Likyate Janma Patrika. This saying has become 100% truth. Once during to Kailash Manasarovar Yatra in the year 1997, a severe landslide and hailstorm overtook a group of pilgrims, of which Swamiji P. Shivakumar was one. While quite a few pilgrims died and many could not be traced, Swamiji Shivakumar was one of a few survivors, panic-struck and lost his way. He was greeted by a young Swamiji who greeted by his name. The young Swamiji held him by his hand and escorted him all the way, a distance of 20 to 25 kilometers in about 3 to 4 hours, and safely took him to the north face of Kailash. When the rescue party came in search of Shivakumar Swamiji, the young yogi disappeared. Later on, reaching Chennai, he came to know that the young Swamiji is none other than Maha Avatar Babaji, a great Kriya Yogi.
भवाय नमः। ॐ सरवणभवाय नमः। ॐ सरवणभवाय नमः। ॐ सरवणभवाय।
This temple is a Siddha Peetham, and other is the statues of 18 Siddhas besides Arut Prakasa Jyoti Ramalinga Vallala, Mahavatar Babaji, Shiradi Sai Baba and Sri Raghavendra Swami. There are 108 statues in the temple.
य नमः ॐ सरवणभवाय 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 नमः.
Mahavatar Baba instructed Shivakumar Swami to build a temple dedicated to Lord Thangavel Muruga and gave the vision of the idol of Muruga with his concerts, which should be consecrated in the sanctum sanctorium of the temple. Shivakumar Swami, born on 22nd March 1942 at Perur near Coimbatore, father Mr. K. Palaniyappan and mother Srimati Kaliyammal, had his school education at Perur, high school and college education at Coimbatore city, did his M.Com at Pachayappa's College, Chennai in the year 1964-1966, worked as a professor of commerce at Tyagaraja College, Chennai, Government Arts College, Ramanathapuram, and Government Arts College, Nandanam, Chennai. An IAS officer since 1973-2003, held various high positions in the government of Tamil Nadu. He was collector of Sivagangai district of Tamil Nadu and retired as secretary to government of Tamil Nadu in the transport department. From early years, he was spiritually inclined. He often had visions in his dreams and often went to Samadhi in Dhyana. Metaphysical phenomena was quite common and used to do a lot of astral travel. That is, his body will be in one place and his spiritual body will be freely moving throughout the world. By now, he has done a lot of temple renovations and the present temple at Alamadi is his 19th temple. He is attached to the philosophy of 18 Siddhas, deeply interested in pranayama and Vasi Yoga, practices Kriya Yoga every day and teaches them to his disciples.
Sarvanabhavaya Namaha.
This was the beginning of the construction of this temple. There stands a mango tree which bears fruits throughout the year, which surpasses all scientific explanations.
Sarvanabhavaya Namaha.
Swamiji gives a divine prediction. People from far and wide come to him to get the blessings and predictions from Swamiji. Special features of the temple. People get their special prayers fulfilled within 6 Kritihai Pujas. Pending house constructions, marriages, job opportunities come to fruition very soon. It is a Prarthana Sthalam. Savvai dosham, Sani dosham, etc. disappears after a visit and sincere prayers at the temple. Health is restored and happiness ensured soon after devotees visit the temple on 6 consecutive Tuesdays. With plenty of idols, it is a fine art gallery of Hindu gods, divine architecture at its best. With 108 idols, all other Hindu festivals are celebrated, most important being Kritihai Puja, Sashti, Vishakam, Thaipusam, New Year Day celebrations, Adi Kritihai, Shikanda Shashti festival. The idol of Lord Muruga, with a height about 9.5 feet, is one of the tallest in Tamil Nadu and Southeast Asia.
Sarvanabhavaya Namaha. சரவணபவாய நமः.
He is also an educationist and director of several engineering colleges. He has adopted Alamadi village and doing useful service for the upliftment of poor and downtrodden. He wants to bring about a social change through mass awakening among the educated youth in the country. India of tomorrow lies in the vision, mission and dreams of present-day youth.
சரவணபவாய நமः.
தங்கவேல் முருகனுக்கு அரோகரா. குருவாய் வந்து நம்மை எல்லாம் வழிநடத்தும் அனுதினமும் அல்லும் பகலும் போற்றும் சிவகுருநாதனை தங்கவேல் முருகன் தாழ்மலர் சிந்தித்து உங்கள் எல்லோருக்கும் ஆயுள், ஆரோக்கியம், அஷ்ட ஐஸ்வர்யம், அரசாங்கத்தில் எதிர்பார்க்கின்ற நன்மைகள், விரும்பி செய்கின்ற தொழில்களிலே வெற்றிகள், இல்லத்திலே உள்ளத்திலே சுபகாரியங்கள், எல்லா நற்பேர்களும் சித்திக்க அலர்மதி ஸ்ரீ தங்கவேல் முருகப்பெருமானின் திருவருளை சிந்திப்பது அடியேன். இந்த தங்கவேல் முருகன் ஆலயம் தென்கிழக்கு ஆசியாவிலேயே பெரிய முருகன். முருகன் மட்டுமல்லாது 18 சித்தர்களும், ராமலிங்கர், மகா அவதார் பாபா, சீரடி சாயி, காயத்ரி தேவி, ஸ்ரீ ராகவேந்திரர், சமயபுரம் மாரியம்மன், 2 நந்தியோடு கூடிய சிவலிங்கம், சப்த கன்னிகைகள், இப்படி 108 தெய்வங்கள் இந்த அழகிய சன்னதியிலே காட்சி கொண்டு இருக்கின்றார்கள். இங்கே வந்து வழிபாடு செய்கின்றவர்களுக்கு முதல்ல அவர்களுடைய அடிப்படை தேவைகளான வீடு அமையும், திருமணம் கைகூடும், எதிர்பார்க்கின்ற உத்தியோகம் கிடைக்கும், வீட்டிலே சுபகாரியங்கள் நடக்கும். ரியல் எஸ்டேட் இவர் செவ்வாய் அங்காரகன், இவர்தான் மண்ணுக்கு அதிபதி. எனவே இவரை வழிபடுகின்றவர்களுக்கு உயர்வும் வருமானமும் கிடைக்கும். கன்னி பெண்களுக்கு திருமணமாகவில்லை என்றால் அந்த செவ்வாய்க்கிழமை தோறும் வந்து அர்ச்சனை செய்து அந்த அடிமூடியிலே நெய் நிரப்பி 6 திரி போட்டு அந்த ஆறுமுக பெருமானை வழிபட்டால் அந்த செவ்வாய் கிரகம் எல்லாம் பறந்தோடிவிடும். வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு அரோகரா.
ஓம் சரவணபவாய நமः. ஓம் சரவணபவாய நமः. ஓம் சரவணபவாய நமः. ஓம் சரவணபவாய.
We cordially invite the devotees to visit this temple. Our website address www.srimurugavijayam.org. Email contact@srimurugavijayam.org. P. Shivakumar IAS @yahoo.in. Contact numbers 94401761 9566002059 9500037266 04465681140.